Well, guys, I want to do a full face of pink makeup, and you can tell that my foundation is regular color. I'm not going to be extreme today, and I'm going to do pink foundation, pink brows. I did something similar years ago, but today we're going to kind of get grounded a little bit and just focus on eyes, my lips, and of course my blush. I have not set my face yet with powder. That is the main reason why I'm going with my SFX palette. And I love this metallic pink color. It looks really pretty and glossy, especially when you pair it with beautiful products that I use a lot. It's Estee Lauder loose powder sheer something, I guess sheer powder. And then I have another one that I'm super into is e.l.f. highlighter that is not giving you any highlighter, but whenever you get this over your entire complexion, it looks like you have glass skin. The reason why I'm doing the blush under my powder, because most of the time I will set my face and only then I will do a little bit of cream blush on top, because I'm gonna still do a little bit of this cream blush on top, but I want to make sure that it gives the beauty kind of glossy finish to my complexion. And let's do loose powder. This one is translucent powder, by the way, from Makeup Revolution. Well, I can say this is the best powder that I would recommend, but still, it's not bad. The only way I can apply any powder is with a fluffy brush. At the end of the day, it's not going to crease as much as Makeup Puff. I'm going to do a little bit of sculptor on the sides just because I feel like I need a little bit more structure, but it's totally optional if you're not into some contour or bronzers. Keep it really close to the nose bridge. And I will add a little bit more of my blush, but the blush that I have is extremely pigmented and it's bright pink color. Today I want to focus on very soft shades. Just a little bit over my nose bridge. And finally, I will work with this Estee Lauder loose powder that I showed you earlier and that I talked about this product so many times on my channel. We need a highlighter brush. Let's use a tiniest bit, tap it off. And get this on. Essence Fix and Spray. And set with a beauty blender. Let's go back with the same color that I used today. This is beautiful pink shade, and we're going on top. One more time, just a little bit pat. You can tell that the reflection is gorgeous. And on top of just being very pretty color, we have a little bit of shimmer to it. With any leftovers from Beauty Blender, we're working a little bit more of my highlighter brush. With any leftovers from the powder, we're not going to add more. We're just focusing a little bit, and that's it. I'm not going to do any highlighter today because I explained this earlier. Sometimes you just need a little bit of glow from such powders as this one, or maybe e.l.f. highlighter that is extremely invisible and you can't even spot it. That is the main reason why I love this color or maybe powders to be over the entire complexion. I will use my primer from NYX. You can go with the same Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette that I showed you earlier today, or you can go with Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette, and it has beautiful baby pink color that I'm going to place all over my lid. I think this color is going to be very pretty. Cover my lid and use big and fluffy brush to set everything from primer and just give a little bit more of the pop of color. Now I want to work with probably color Tutti Frutti, somewhere between orange and pink. And I think that I need to scrape it off and add a little bit of makeup remover. This way, we're going to create DIY eyeliner. Scrape off any powder from these eyeshadows. Honestly, it's more like orange color, maybe carrot shade. I don't know, we'll see. And I want to just focus this over my top lid. I'm not going with this color anywhere else. This is super old NYX Ultra Pearl Mania pigment. I need this pearl over my entire lid. Totally optional. Another great pigment is from Essence. Honestly, pigments are not expensive. Essence is going to be a great option because this one I've been literally having for ages, guys, and it's full. It's definitely full. That's why I don't really think you need a lot of the product. And maybe, just maybe, let's work with glitter. NYX Gold NYX Glitter Balls palette, another favorite product of mine, and that is the reason why I'm going with Essence Hello Good Stuff. This is Depuff Eye Serum, and I stopped using this as an eye serum because if I have so much hydration under my eyes, it's not bad, but you know, mascara actually leaves some marks. That is the main reason why I use it as my gel. When my glue evaporated or just dried out, I had some problem to transfer glitter over the lid, and that is the reason why I guess this thing is gonna just solve the issue. I add 2 tiny drops, both of my glitters, this purple and this red glitter. I want to use the same brush that I used to create a line. I want to focus with this glitter in the inner corner. I don't want to do anything dramatic, and maybe over my lower inner corner moment. Let's add the same baby pink color over my lower lid, and that's it. I don't want to do anything else. If you've ever been on my channel or if you're new to my channel, guys, I always use a little bit of black liner really close to my lash line. This way I know it's not gonna look off when I put on mascara. And let's finally coat lashes with mascara. I have 2 of them. The one is Essence e.l.f. Crazy Volume Mascara. Second one is waterproof, same I guess brand. I have Eveline Cosmetics. I really wanted to repurchase this shade because I'm almost out of it. It's Dream Pink 19. Unfortunately, it's out of stock. They're not producing this color any longer, or at least this line is out of stock, and this is the most beautiful pink color. It's almost the same color as my natural lip shade, but a little bit more intense, more natural. I don't know, or more pink. So creamy. The formula is amazing. I love this stuff. And in the center of the lip, I want to add a little bit of Makeup Forever C105 Artist Rouge Cream. It's kind of beige or even concealer type lip. And just pat this in the center of the lip, and that's it. Well, guys, this is the final result of my makeup look done with pink products only. I mean, aside from foundation, concealer, and whatever. I mean, like, colorful application. And I love that pink has so many different undertones that you can create a pretty decent makeup look using only pink, and it's not gonna look like you're Barbie or you're gonna look like you're crazy with pink colors, because it's always look good with, I guess, every single person. Pink color is unique in my opinion, and sometimes you just have to find your undertone. I love the final result. I hope you do as well. And guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Hopefully. Love you all so much. Bye bye.